Digital panel controls on, off, cooking temperature and time. Electric smoker dimensions 20.47 W by 19.88 L by 33.26 H, max temperature setting 275 F. Inside capacity 2 turkeys, 4 pork butts, 4 racks of ribs, 6 chickens. Patented side wood chip loading system allows you to add wood chips without opening door. Thermostat temperature control for even, consistent smoking. Fully insulated body retains heat. Top reviews from the United States. Great smoker after a few fixes. With a few minor adjustments, this smoker is perfect. First, I took the chip tray rack out to let it sit directly on the coils. I flipped a bracket that is over top of the heating element and put it below. Lastly, I drilled about 12 very small holes in the chip tray. After making these adjustments, this thing started rolling out smoke. Did 2 whole chickens and they turned out fantastic. For the price point, it's worth making the few adjustments. Highly recommend for any home smoker. Only complaint is that the digital controls are hard to read when in direct sunlight, but this is a minor inconvenience.